Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well at home. So, today we will complete the bookwork of chapter 2, which is Food and Health. So, at first we complete the oral questions. Choose the correct answer. Deficiency number 1, deficiency of vitamin C causes dengue, night blindness or scurvy. So look at here student, scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. So tick the correct option, scurvy. Number 2, beriberi is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1, vitamin C or vitamin A. Look at here student, beriberi is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. So tick the correct option, B1. Vitamin B1. Number 3, rickets, anemia or malaria is a disease in which the bones became soft. Look at here. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. In this disease, the bones became soft. So tick the correct option, rickets. Number 4, deficiency of iron, iodine or calcium in the body causes goitre. Look at here student, goitre is caused by the deficiency of iodine. So tick the correct option, iodine. Now we will complete the exercise. A, tick the correct answer. Number 1, to stay healthy our body needs. Now option A, a balanced diet, option B, books, option C, bread and option D, only milk. So look at here student, to stay healthy our body needs a balanced diet. So tick the correct option A, balanced diet. Number 2, which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Option A, chicken pox, option B, beriberi, option C, common cold and option D, measles. Look at here student, non-communicable disease are night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goitre. So which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Option B, beriberi. Number 3, this disease is caused by a virus. Option A, typhoid, option B, malaria, option C, meningitis and option D, chicken pox. Viruses cause disease like the common cold, polio, chicken pox and measles. So which disease is caused by a virus? Option D, chicken pox. Number 4, the spread of communicable disease can be prevented by option A, spitting, option B, coughing, option C, keeping clean and option D, having medicines. Look at here student, we should make efforts to prevent the breeding of germs. Personal and environmental cleanliness prevent the breeding of germs. So what should be the answer? C, keeping clean. Number 5, vaccination can protect against disease like polio, measles and option A, AIDS, option B, malaria, option C, mumps and option D, fever. Look at here students, vaccines are available for disease like diphtheria, cholera, typhoid, tetanus, polio, measles, mumps, meningitis and hepatitis. So tick the correct option, mumps. Now B, complete the table. Nutrient and found in. कार्बोहाइड्रेट किस में मिलते हैं? सीरियल्स, पल्सेस, स्वीट पोटैटो, शुगर. प्रोटीन, मिल्क, एग, मीट, पल्सेस. विटामिन ए, मैंगो, पपाया, बटर, मिल्क. विटामिन सी, साइट्रस फ्रूट्स, आंवला, टोमेटो, पोटैटो. आयरन, डेट्स, एप्पल्स, स्पिनच, जगेरी. Now we will complete the C, match the columns. Nutrient, deficiency disease, symptoms of disease. So at first, vitamin A. So look at here, night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A, and in night blindness the patient cannot see in dim light. Now we will complete the series vitamin A, deficiency disease, night blindness, and the patient cannot see in dim light. Number 2, vitamin B1. Look at here students, beriberi is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. So vitamin B1 deficiency disease, beriberi, and it affects the nervous system. Number 3, vitamin C. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Bleeding of the gums and swelling of joints result from scurvy. So number 3, vitamin C, deficiency disease, scurvy and bleeding gums. Option 4. Number 4, vitamin D. Look at here student, rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. In this disease, the bones became soft. So vitamin D, deficiency disease, rickets, and the bones became soft. Number 5, iodine. Goitre is caused by deficiency of iodine. In goitre, a gland in the neck region swells. So iodine, deficiency disease, goitre, and a gland, and symptom of disease, a gland in the neck region swells up. Now we will complete the fill in the blanks. Number 1, our body needs a dash, protection from disease, regular exercise, and enough rest, and dash to keep fit. Now look at here students, to stay healthy, our body needs a balanced diet, regular exercise, enough rest, and protection from disease. So our body needs a balanced diet, protection from disease, regular exercise, and enough rest to keep fit. Number 2, our food should have enough dash to get rid of undigested food. Roughage in certain vegetables and fruits help the body to get rid of undigested food. So, number 2, our food should have enough roughage to get rid of undigested food. Number 3, we must play dash games to keep our body fit. We must play outdoor games to keep our body fit. So, we must play outdoor games to keep our body fit. Number 4, dash and dash are caused by bacteria. Bacteria cause disease like plague, tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia, and meningitis. You can write any 2 disease name from this. So, number 4, plague and typhoid are caused by bacteria. Number 5, dash is a virus that attacks the immune system of the patient and leads to death. So, look at here students, AIDS is an incurable communicable disease that damages the immune system of the person and leads to death. It is spread by a virus called HIV. So the answer should be HIV is a virus that attacks the immune system of the patient and leads to death. That's enough for today students. Tomorrow we will complete the bookwork of chapter 3. Thank you. Be safe at home.